Hey everybody, this is James with WSTrades.com. Want to provide an update here on ticker SNOW or Snowflake Inc. Looking at some of the recent news stories here, we do have some price target cuts. We've got Morgan Stanley adjusting the price target to $322 from $355, maintaining overweight rating. So a little bit of a cut there, and then we've also got Barclays adjusting the target down to 218 from 313. So that's a much larger price cut there. So that's kind of some of the recent news stories here. So I got another price target adjustment here from $370 down to $225, but reiterating a buy rating. And yeah, a lot of these price targets are way above where it's trading. It closed at 141.49 at the end of regular hours yesterday. So yeah, all of these price targets well above. So it looks like several of these analysts are still very bullish on this, and it's definitely been beat down. Let's take a look here at the weekly time frame. This thing was trading up around almost $400 and now trading around 150. So this thing is definitely at a huge discount right now. So let's go back to that daily time frame and let's talk about some key levels. So we have a fresh low here being set around $126. I definitely see that as a key level. If the sellers are able to crush it below that, close it below that here on the daily time frame, I believe that's going to be key. I think it will make a big move lower if it cannot hold that 126 level. It looks like we do have earnings coming up here on the 25th. Aftermarket. So definitely coming up here on earnings, we could definitely see some wild price action and some volatility. So keep an eye there to the 126, depending on what's going on with the earnings here. And then to the upside, it looks like we got a barrier here around 160, but then also right here is a key level around 165. So I would say, if the bulls start to rally this thing ahead of earnings, keep an eye on this 165 level, 166, somewhere in there. I think if this thing starts to rip and it can close above that level, I think it can make a nice move higher, because we got some candles up here rejecting around 188, 189 on this time frame. So I think if it could again close above about 166 or so on this time frame, it could make a nice test of almost 190. So definitely some key points or some key prices to keep your eye on there as we head into earnings here for ticker SNOW or Snowflake Inc. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.